Our annual Healthy Living Fair is coming soon, and everyone is excited to choose their final class project.
This year, your homework assignment is very special. You must grow one healthy plant from scratch.
Growing a real plant sounds like an amazing adventure. I want to grow something super tasty. Today is the day I start my grand gardening project, and I cannot wait to show everyone.
Look at this tiny tomato seedling. It looks small now, but I will help it grow huge.
Welcome to your new home, little guy. I am going to take great care of you every single day.
Here is some clean, fresh water so your roots can grow deep and strong into the rich earth. You are going to get plenty of warm sunlight right here in the middle of our bright backyard. Growing a tomato plant will be the easiest and most fun homework project in the entire class.
The sun grew hotter and hotter every afternoon, shining down on the backyard without any clouds.
Oh no! Look at my poor little plant. Its leaves are all dry and curling up terribly.
What happened to you? You looked so happy yesterday. Please do not die on me now.
I was supposed to take care of you, but I failed. My project is completely ruined.
Mom, Dad, please help me. My tomato plant is dying and I do not know what to do.
Do not worry, Mike. Let us take a close look at it together and figure this out.
Gardening takes a lot of patience, sweetie. Plants get stressed under intense heat, just like we do.
The hot afternoon sun dried out the soil way too fast. We need a better plan to save it.
Did someone call for a plant expert? Grandma Rose is here to save the day, my dear boy.
The roots are still alive, Mike. It just needs proper shade, steady moisture, and a little love. Welcome to the local garden center. Here we can find everything we need to heal your tomato.
Wow, look at all these amazing plants. I hope my little seedling grows this big and healthy.
Fresh, organic soil will give the roots plenty of rich nutrients to rebuild strong green stems.
A bigger pot will give the roots space to spread out and stay cool during hot afternoon hours.
This shade cloth will protect the tender leaves from getting burned by the intense midday sunshine.
We have all our plant rescue tools ready. Let us hurry home and save my little tomato. Operation Tomato Rescue begins right now. Everyone has an important job to help Mike's plant.
Gently ease the roots out of the old pot so we do not break any of the tender stems.
You are getting a brand new house now, little plant. Settle in and get comfortable.
Just a small sprinkle of natural fertilizer will give it the boost it needs to grow strong. Now the harsh sun will not burn the leaves while the plant builds new, healthy branches.
Drink up, little friend. This fresh water and rich soil will help you feel much better soon.
We did everything we could today. Now I just have to be patient and watch you recover.
A new morning begins, and checking on my plant is the very first thing on my schedule.
Good morning, tiny tomato. Let us see if our hard work from yesterday paid off.
Look at that! The leaves are standing straight and tall again. You are feeling so much better. Grandma, look! Your clever advice worked wonders. My tomato plant is officially saved.
I am going to record its height every single day in my official science notebook.
Days turned into weeks, and with daily care, The little stem grew thicker and much stronger.
Look at these beautiful yellow flowers. Grandma says flowers mean tiny tomatoes are coming soon.
Hold on tight. I am tying a sturdy wooden stake so you do not tip over from heavy branches.
They are finally here. Tiny green tomatoes are growing right on the stem. This is so exciting.
No hungry bugs on these leaves today. Everything is clean, healthy, and growing perfectly. Rain or shine, I never forget to water my plant before I head off to school every day.
Look how the color is changing. The warm sunshine is turning them from orange to vibrant red.
You have shown incredible responsibility, Mike. I am so proud of your dedication and hard work.
Wow, your plant is almost as tall as you are now. That is truly a fantastic achievement.
These juicy red tomatoes are ready to harvest. You did an extraordinary job, my clever boy.
Plucking my very first homegrown tomato feels like winning a shiny gold medal.
Look at all these beautiful tomatoes. There are way too many for just one person to eat. I am going to bring these delicious tomatoes to school tomorrow and share them with everyone. Today is the big day of the Healthy Living Fair, and the hall is packed with amazing projects.
Welcome to the fair, everyone. Please place your healthy living projects on your presentation tables.
Here is my project. I started with one tiny seedling, and now I have fresh red tomatoes. Whoa, look at those huge red tomatoes. Did you really grow all of those by yourself at home? I sure did. It almost wilted in the hot sun, but with patience and care, it recovered.
This is absolute perfection, Mike. Your dedication and care transformed a fragile seedling into wonderful food.
Here, try a sample slice. Fresh garden tomatoes taste way sweeter than store-bought ones.
Wow, this is so delicious and crunchy. I wish we had fresh food like this every day.
Mrs. Carter, can we please build our own vegetable garden right here at school too?
What a fantastic idea, children! If Mike can grow this, our whole class can grow a garden together.
This tomato is superb. A student vegetable garden is a wonderful initiative for our entire school.
This empty, sunny courtyard will be the perfect place to build our brand new student garden. Spring has arrived, and construction on our official school vegetable garden is officially underway.
Every single class gets its own raised garden bed to plant whatever vegetables they choose. Make sure to space the seeds out evenly so their roots have plenty of room to expand.
We are planting carrots, crisp lettuce, juicy tomatoes, and sweet peppers all across our new garden.
Teamwork makes the garden work. Everyone takes turns watering the beds every single afternoon.
The students created a special wooden sign to honor the tiny tomato that started this huge movement.
As weeks passed, the quiet courtyard blossomed into a vibrant, glowing sea of healthy green plants.
Look how big our lettuce leaves have grown. They are so green, crisp, and ready to harvest. I pulled out a massive carrot. Working in the garden is the most fun part of the school day.
Off to the cafeteria kitchen. The cafeteria staff is waiting for our fresh harvest.
Freshly picked vegetables make the healthiest lunches. Thank you, kids, for growing all this amazing produce. We are making delicious, colorful garden salads for every student in the entire school today.
For the very first time, our cafeteria lunch menu features delicious salads grown by students. eating fresh food that we grew with our own hands makes lunch taste 10 times better.
What started as one drooping seedling in a tiny orange pot became a beautiful garden for everyone.
Small acts of care and patience can grow into something truly wonderful for an entire community.
Remember, no matter how small your start is, you can grow something amazing if you never give up.
And that is how one tiny tomato changed our entire school forever. The end.